Alright, so with the polynomials, notice that this is an add or a subtract sign. When there's two parentheses next to each other, we assume that's multiplication. Adding, subtracting, multiplication. Add, subtract, multiplication, adding, subtracting. Alright, so if there's an add or subtract, do that. If it's multiplied, multiply it. Alright, because they're going to be all mixed up on the final and in the test. So you got to understand that fact. So our like terms are the x's. Now, since this is a minus here, I really need to distribute that to everything. So instead of 6x squared plus 3x squared, it's actually a minus 6x. So what I like to do is rewrite them just right underneath the like term. So minus 6x squared, and this gets to everything. So minus 3x and a minus dos there. And now I can just add these. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10x. And then that's a minus 3x squared. Final answer. Now here we're multiplying. You can do it Hartman's way or you can do it my way. I use the grid because it helps me not screw up as much. So r minus 5, r plus 5. Make sure that you actually multiply every time that you see these in the box. So it's r times r is r squared. Negative 5 times r is negative 5r. This is 5r. And don't forget, a lot of people accidentally add in this box, which you're still multiplying. So it's negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. So we now add those terms all together. We have r squared plus 5r minus 5r minus 25. And these terms end up canceling. So my final simplest result is r squared minus 25. Alright, and notice that if I was factoring, this is the difference of squares and it factors to this thing here, right? But I'm not, I was multiplying. Alright, so with these ones, you do not just distribute the exponent. Don't just square this and square that and call it a day. This little guy here means that whatever is in the parentheses, you have to multiply by itself. So really this means 6x minus 5 times 6x minus 5y. Right? Multiply it by itself twice. So therefore, we can now, I'll exemplify Hartman's FOIL method here. 6x times 6x is 36x squared. Times that is negative 30x times y. This is negative 30xy. And that is a positive 25y squared. Combining like terms, I get 36x squared minus 60xy plus 25y squared. Bam. Final answer. And the final one, same idea. So it's 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2, and that gets us 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Alright, I didn't fill it all in because I've done it enough times, you should know how to do that.